Xuancheng GreenGoods Enterprise Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of acrylic bathtubs, shower trays, and shower enclosures in China from 2003. Since the establishment, we have built a reputation for offering the finest products to our customers all over the world. Bathtubs and showers from GreenGoods Bath Factory have been approved and used in many countries, and the end users feel satisfied with our quality and service after sale. Our strict quality control and exceptional products have been widely recognized. We have been involved in operating the company and production over 16 years and have seen tremendous growth to the point of being one of the most well-known bath companies in China. Our bathtub products include drop-in bathtub, soaking bathtub, alcove bathtub, skirted bathtub, corner bathtub, freestanding bathtub, whirlpool bathtub, and clawfoot bathtub. The showers include offset quadrant shower, neo-angle shower, quadrant shower, rectangular shower, and square shower. GreenGoods is known for supplying high-quality products that will last for years and are very resistant to mildew and yellow. We only use the best cast acrylic sheet, fiberglass, resin, machinery, and processing techniques. Our products export to Europe, America, Australia, Asia, and Middle Eastern countries. Our mission is to supply high-quality bathtubs and showers in various sizes, styles, designs, and colors, so the customers can personalize their bathroom projects in an economical, comfortable, and durable way by the help of our well-trained and experienced employees. GreenGoods Bath Factory products are CE and CUPC certified. We are looking forward to establish long business relationship with clients worldwide.